I'm doing a video on etymology of the root word plicare from Latin, which means to fold. And I'm just doing this because I realized that Boehm's implicate order theory, it has that word implicate, and then when you think of explication, implication, that it's implying something. So what is it implying? So that's what I was thinking. So the plicare, that's a ply, which is a fold. So when you think of like a two-ply tissue, it's just two pieces of the fold. And so if you think of everything being folded in, and then when you unfold that, everything pops out. So it's sort of like the Big Bang in a sense, because everything came from that one thing. I don't believe in Big Bang Theory, but everything's connected in that way. But anyway, so when you think about that, I thought of other words. I thought of comply and supply. So I asked that to GPT, and so it says, the other form of comply is complication, which is kind of interesting because it's sort of totally different meanings. When you comply, you go along with something, but complication is different. But you can visualize the folding together, because when you complicate things, it's complex. It's not simplex. It's not one thing. It's multiple things. And supply also, because supplication is different from supply. So it's, when you think of supply, it's underneath the fold. So it's supporting that main thing, I guess. But supplication means to pray or beg. So I don't know how you visualize that. I guess it's like underneath something greater. But then there's other words. So I thought ply tissue and then plaid. So these other words, apply. So the other form of that is application, and then an appliance is something that applies something to that machine. And then reply and replication. So those are slightly different. Let's see. Display, that's another form. Yeah, there's all kinds of play words too. Replay. So, it's not related to play as in, play outside, but to this fold root. So that's interesting. And duplicate, that's another kind of multiplicate, multiplex. And so let's see, there's some other words. Plexus, plaid again, plea. Let's see some of the play words. So display, replay, deploy, employ. Well, I guess there's only two words then that I can come up with. Supple. Yeah, that's like a third meaning for that SU, the underneath concept.